Boost your immune system with garlic infused honey. Garlic and honey on an empty stomach is a sure bet for your overall health. There's not a single treatment that does so many things at one time and without any side effects. You've probably already heard about the incredible benefits of garlic. If you take advantage of the mixture of garlic and honey, though, their properties actually multiply. Both garlic and honey are powerful antibiotics that also support your immune system. Benefits of honey with garlic. Both honey and garlic are power foods in their individual capacities. When combined together, their power is lethal to all that is harmful to your body. Garlic has tremendous medicinal benefits. It can help clean the blood of toxins, improve digestion, a strong antibiotic, also helps in weight loss and managing cholesterol. These are just some of the benefits of garlic. Since ancient times, garlic has been used in many medicines for various purposes. Honey on its part is just as powerful a superfood. Apart from helping in weight loss, it works wonders for the skin, cures cough and cold, and is an excellent alternative for sugar. Honey with water can act as a better energy drink than the ones available in market, which only add to your sugar content. Honey with garlic on empty stomach. A combination of honey and garlic on an empty stomach can cure you several health issues. Garlic is not only great for adding flavor to a recipe, but because of its strong antioxidant properties, it's also very good for your health. Garlic has allicin in it, which can lower cholesterol levels, stop blood clotting, and has been shown to stop cancer and kill bacteria. Garlic doesn't have a lot of calories, but is full of nutrients, like manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, and fiber. It naturally strengthens your immune system to help your body fight infection. A study showed that having garlic every day lowered the number of colds by 63% and lessened the length of cold symptoms by 70%. Here's how to make a garlic and honey mixture to use as a natural cure to strengthen your immune system and keep your body healthy. Ingredients: 3 to 4 heads of garlic, 1 cup of raw honey, a small jar with a lid. Directions: chop or crush the garlic cloves. Add the honey to the jar. Mix in the garlic. Close the jar and store it in a dark place for 1 week. After this time, you can take a tablespoon of garlic and honey on an empty stomach every day. The healthiest way to use garlic is raw. Heat can separate the allicin and lessen its nutrition. Crushing raw garlic will add to the health benefits of allicin. You can also add any extra herbs to your recipe, like thyme leaves for extra flavor. If you're not feeling well, a spoonful of this mixture will help fight your illness more quickly. To strengthen your immune system every day, take 1 spoonful in the morning, before eating or drinking anything.